Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, swatching, and review of the new Nail Reserve Gel Polish collection that released on July 1st. Nail Addicts sent over this collection for me to swatch and review, and I'm very excited about it. I haven't tried any of their polishes with their new branding, Nail Reserve, so this is going to be my first time trying them under the new brand as Nail Reserve. So the first color I have is Eternity, and it is a rich dark brown. This is a really pretty color. I feel like browns don't get enough love in literally anything. I don't know why, but it is a really gorgeous color, and stay tuned for the end because I'm going to have color comparisons and combinations on what pairs well with this brown polish. Next color is Starch Strike, and it is a purple gel polish. You guys probably already know my thoughts and feelings about purple, but I will wear purple if I compare it with other colors. This reminds me of a color that I wore for a Halloween manicure 2 years in a row. I, for some reason, associate purple with Halloween. I feel like it goes great with orange and other Halloween colors. The next one is called Immortal. Speaking of Halloween, this is a corally orange shade, more on the orange, not so much on the pink. It's very warm in my opinion, but not like a vibrant coral. So depending on what you like in your skin tone, you might hate or love this gel polish. So far, it looks like it would go great with my skin tone. I'm very, 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 very fair with red undertones. Pool Party is my favorite out of all of them. My favorite color is blue, and this blue is just like speaking to my heart. It is a vibrant, vibrant blue, and I can see that so many colors from this collection already are going to pair well with this blue. Okay, hear me out. If you don't like orange but you like purple, try pairing them together in a Halloween style manicure. That is usually when I'll bring in some orange. I like to pair it with purples and blue. Oh my goodness, it looks so good with blue. So yeah, if you're not sure what to do with oranges, they look great with purples and blues, even pinks actually. Lotus is so gorgeous. It's going to pair so great with that blue that I just showed you guys. This one, she's just so pretty. It's like pink done right. I do like lighter pinks, but if I had to choose between like what shade of pink I would go, this is kind of like my favorite style of pink. It's not neon, but it's also not muted. Speaking of muted, this one's a much softer pink. It's called Pixie Dust. I'm going to be wearing Pixie Dust in a manicure video that I'm going to post on Saturday, so stay tuned if you guys want to see me do some manicure nail art with these gel polishes. That video will be up this coming Saturday. So I added a second coat to all of the polishes off camera and a top coat. So here's what they look like with 2 coats of gel polish and a top coat, a glossy top coat. So it looks very like exact to the swatch here at the top, which is expected. It doesn't match exactly the paper wrapping around the bottle, which I assume is not that easy to do, but nonetheless it's pretty close. I would recommend if you're using these bottles to use as your swatches to look at the top of the bottle, not so much the color on the label, for a accurate and true color match. Okay, so here are all the colors right next to each other. There were 7 colors in this collection, a very huge and different range. I really like that you can, like, there's something for everybody in their collections. It's not just like one style, like say all pinks. So I really do like the variety that Nail Reserve puts in their collections. Alright, so now to do some color combos. Lotus and Pixie Dust are definitely a great combination to match with each other, as well as this blue color here. So since Pool Party is my favorite color out of this combo, I'm going to match it and see how well it pairs with everything. So it looks great with Lotus, and it also looks great with the orange. Is anybody here like an Astros fan? I live in Houston now, and the Houston colors, like the Astros, are blue and orange. I like this combo, but I wouldn't reach for it as much as I would the blue and orange. I'm not a huge fan of the brown with the blue, but the brown does look great with other colors, and I'll show that off in a second. And if you're going for mermaid vibes, the blue and the purple look great. So here I'm combining the brown with different colors. It looks great with the purple in my opinion. See, this is what I was talking about, the Halloween. Perfect, perfect. These colors are perfect together. And Lotus with the purple looks pretty good. I actually would definitely wear this. All right, now to bring in the chocolatey brown color. It looks great with Lotus, and it looks great with Pixie Dust. And now to pair it with some oranges. Actually, that's pretty good. It's getting a lot of fall vibe. This is giving me fall vibes. This is really fall-esque for me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this swatch and review and color comparisons. Stay tuned for my mani video coming out this Saturday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!